Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix some issue on a table. You can see I have this table DD, and in this table we have ID, name, product name, payment and amount. You can see some of the records like the ID is equal to 4, Apple, cash and amount is 200, and same record is inserted here. Okay, and another issue, you can see the number range is 9. So this is the concern, how to fix that. So if I want to update this or delete this one, then I cannot select any condition since both record is same. Okay, ID is equal to 4, name, Apple, cash, amount, 4, Apple, cash, amount. So how to update this table, and I have to fix this number also. Okay, so let me first do one thing. Let me resolve the first issue and trying to fix how to update this for. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me select sure I want to select everything, and then I need to use the function row number, and then over here I'm going to sort this as order by ID. Okay, as row number from DD. You can see when I am doing this, I am select using this function, and you can see the row number, there is a sequence. Okay, you can see same ID, you can see Apple, and this one Apple, cash 200, but we have a row number sequences here. Okay, so row number is giving me a sequence. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a table according to this. So create table, select create table. I'm going to create a backup table. The table name is dd1. Okay, select, I have to select everything, then row number function, over order by ID as row number. Okay, from table DD. Let me check it. Let me rename it as a backup table, backup DD. Okay, let me select star from backup DD. You can see this table is created with this row number. Now easily we can update this table. So let me update DD, update we need to get a backup DD, set ID is equal to this ID we need to set as 10. Okay, 10, where we are going to use this condition, row number is equal to this ID as row number 4. Okay, and you can see select start from backupdd. You can see the ID number is modified, but we are going to change this apple as orange. Okay, update pname, apple as orange. So I have to remove the ID. Where 1 minute, where ID is equal to 10. Update backup. I have to use the set also. Okay, select start from backupdd. You can see it is modified, so the issue of the row number is fixed and I can update the record. So now we need this order. We need to get this ID as this order, and second things, we need to remove this one. So what we are going to do, we are going to remove this table, remove this row number, alter table, backupdd dot column row number. Okay, you can see it backupdd. You can see the row number is dropped. So you can see we had the table dd. So that table is this. So we need to insert this value to this table. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to truncate this table. I think truncate, select start from dd. You can see nothing is there, so we are going to insert the record of this backup table to dd. Insert into dd, select start from backupdd. Okay, and now let me do this. Okay, the second issue is resolved, but now you can see the ID is not in order, so we need to fix it in order. So here is some issue. So what we need to do, we need to alter again. The record should be like order by ID. This sequence output should be. So let me do one thing. Let me alter table dd at, we are going to use the primary key at primary key on ID. Okay, let me try this. Let me select start from dd. You can see all things on systematic way. Okay, the duplicate record is also moved, and the ID also. this. You can see first we had a record like we had this. The initial input was like this, the first table was like this. This is the first, you can see, and we modified this one and this one also. Okay, and final output is like this. So friends, this is how you can remove the duplicate value having the same key, duplicate row, and the ID also you can fix. Okay, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you.